Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to play League of Legends in full screen. To begin, simply launch your League of Legends client and log in. Once you are on the main client screen, look for the small gear icon, which represents the settings, located in the top right corner. Give that a click to open up the game's configuration options. From there, you will want to find and select the Video tab on the left-hand side of the menu. Now that you are in the Video tab, you will see a Display Mode drop-down menu. Here, you have two primary options, Full Screen or Borderless. Selecting Full Screen provides an exclusive display mode, often giving you a slight boost in performance and reducing input lag. However, if you frequently switch between applications, Borderless might be a better choice, as it allows for seamless alt-tabbing without minimizing the game. Choose the option that best suits your playstyle. After choosing your display mode, it is crucial to set the correct resolution. Just below the display mode option, you will find the resolution drop-down menu. It is highly recommended to select your monitor's native resolution, which is typically the highest available option. This ensures the sharpest and clearest image quality, preventing any stretching or blurring. Also, double-check that the aspect ratio, like 16:9 for most modern monitors, is correctly applied for an optimal visual experience. Once you have made all your desired changes to the display mode and resolution, remember to click the Apply button located at the bottom right of the settings window. The screen might flicker for a moment as the game adjusts to your new preferences. If you encounter any unexpected issues, a simple restart of your League of Legends client often resolves them. Also, always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for the best performance and compatibility. Enjoy your full-screen gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.